There is a decision you need to take in an important job. So how to take the decision? So Vithra has explained that when a job is undertaken, not only the consequence will have to be examined, if not done, that will be consequence also be determined. So you're doing some job. So of doing the job, what I will get. Of not doing the job, what I will do. So you should know the consequences before getting into anything. If not, you have not done that, consequence also be determined. Because what will I complete it, what I get. If not completed, what I will do. The penalty provision also you should understand. And how can you able to sustain if it's not being done. You should analyze before taking any important job. At the right time, one should put the effort, and unripe fruit will not be sweet. What do you say? So, right time and fruits ripening. What he is explaining is when when should reap the benefit is very important. A fruit which is unripened, you complete the project in immediately in or a midterm and give to someone else, the benefits you get will not be ripen, it will not be sweet. You should complete the project at that timeline. It will take some time, you should give it. Then only the sweet which you're going to eat, you can eat it. If not, it's difficult. Wise man will not village strategic in incentives prematurely to others. You should not say your secret until it is complete. You what's your strategy? How you going to complete? That you should not be revealed to others and until you complete it. So what is being said is until you complete it, your complete plan, how you are doing, nothing you don't say to anyone. They may do some things to stop your plan.